Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. We're doing our higher maths GCSE exam preparation, doing paper 2 here. Question 5 on trigonometry. So we've got a right angle triangle, that's what that square there means. We've got 178 millimeters, 34 degrees and x. We've got to work out the value of x, correct to one decimal place. Now, if we know our trig ratios, and some people like SOHCAHTOA, I'm not a fan of it, but it works. Sine of x is opposite over hypotenuse, and the opposite here is the x, so luckily we've got it in the numerator. Always find fractions easiest to deal with when the unknown is in the numerator, over the hypotenuse of 178, hypotenuse being the one that's opposite the right angle. So I can work out, because it's a calculator paper, what sine of 34 is, and also when they're asking to one decimal place, not expecting us to know this, or be able to work it out. 0.559, so 0.559 is the ratio of x over 178. Just do some rearranging. Now turn it into an equation. 178 times sine of 34 is, times that answer by 178, and I get 99.5. Said one decimal place, 99.536, but we're going to round it to 99.5. So x in this case is 99.5. Let's just check, does that make sense? Yes, that has to be shorter than 178. So that's our final answer. And yes, apologies, I shouldn't have written x there and x there. Let's call that sine of k is opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, just to make sure that those two values are different. Sine of 34 is opposite of hypotenuse. Okay, and that's worth 2 marks. Now in question 6, it's a vector question. And we've got A to be the vector 3, 4, and B to be the vector 5, minus 2. And we've got 2A minus 3B. So 2A is 6, 8 minus 15 minus 6. So the final answer is going to be minus 9, 14. Because I've done twice A, 6, subtract 15. So 6 minus 15, 3B, twice the 4, which is 8, and minus 8 there. Minus 6 there, yes. Sorry, it was a minus 6. Getting myself confused there by trying to re-explain it. But there it's 6 and 8, and there it's 15 and minus 6. I don't want to confuse myself. Double that, treble that. 6 minus 15 is minus 9. 8 minus 6 is 14. And I'll put it in that block because they've kindly put that there for us. Okay, so that's higher GCSE. A couple of pointers. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Apologies if I've confused anyone by using x twice, but x is the opposite there. And then I've just done the trig ratio. Sine of 34. So sine 34 equals that, using the calculator, 0.559, and then you just times it by 178, raising both sides. Okay, and then here, just multiplying these vectors by the scalar 2 and the scalar 3, and then working them out. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and good luck for your exams.